How to hide notes from someone in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide notes from someone on Insta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Instagram. After you've opened up your Instagram, you can head over to your DM sections, that is on the top right, or you can simply swipe left to be on your DM section. Now after you're here, what you'll need to do to add notes is simply tap on your note option here and just type in something or add a music or add a photo. Now normally what you do is you'll tap on share and your note would be shared with each and every one. If you want to hide your note or if you want to not show your note to someone, what you can do is, let me just delete this note first, head over to the note section again, and after you're on the note section, simply type in whatever you want, and there you will see followers you follow back, this one right here. Tap on this. After you tap on this, you will see the close friends option. Simply tap on close friends option, and there you can just select people that you want to show these notes to, and don't select the ones that you want to hide the notes from. After you do that, tap on done. After you select your close friends, head over to this option, make sure that you choose the close friends option, and after you do that, you can tap on share. And doing that, you have just hidden your note from someone on Instagram. And that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.